Cheers! Welcome to Miss Meta Tutorials. Today I'm gonna talk about my daily skincare routine. Let's get started. Alright, so you can follow my instruction to make yourself a cup of yum yum. The ingredients are
Fuse, 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 fuse!
A few moments later.
Alright, so you need more peels. I got it from Dr. Bellissima Doll. She told me that I need to take as much as possible every 6 hours. For glowing skin and Pockmarks Accentuate, one thing you need to remember is you need to take as much as possible you can. Cheers! Next step, strawberry musk. And you need a brush. Gently apply the musk on your face. It gets messy sometimes, but don't worry. The next and the last step, public gaze bathing. Let others look at your pockmarks. It can absorb their positive energy and make you even much prettier. Alright, so this is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also give me a thumbs up. Bye!